The next step is to either grab a Chanel tie or some twine or a piece of string, whatever you have laying around, and you're going to want to tie it not here at the end, but here. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa from MV's Creative Creations. Today's DIY, we are recreating a Pinterest inspired wreath or wall decor. They fit perfectly as both. So if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you love DIYs and lifestyle videos, this is the perfect channel for you. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more lovely DIYs and lifestyle videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on into the video. Today's materials are 2 foam wreaths, a Chanel stem, or leftover twine or any type of string that you may have lying around, maybe even some thinner ribbon. I have some thicker ribbon and scissors and a glue gun. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is grab my wreaths and I'm going to just take off the ties. I think I'm going to leave these strings on just for now. And the next thing I'm going to do is glue them together like so. Now it's really up to you how you want to glue it, but I think this is going to be probably the best way to do this one here. And so I'm going to be very generous with my glue here, being that it is styrofoam. I'm not going to have any issue with it adhering to each other. So right there, and don't worry about the blob of glue that you may see there because we are going to cover that up. So this is not very adhering very well to each other, or it's not as sturdy as I would like it to be. So what I'm going to do is I just got a piece of floral wire and I'm just going to stick it in through here. I suppose you could do this with your Chanel stem as well. So what I'm going to do is just grab my wire floral cutters and just push it through, pull it through. Now what I could do, and actually that's probably what I will do, is I'm just going to wrap it around in the back. And just cut off and there you go. So it's sturdy. So then I'm going to just now push these things to the side and I'm going to grab my ribbon and we're going to make a bow out of this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my two ends of my ribbon. I'm going to push that off to the side together, and you're going to determine how big or how small you want this bow with the loops that you're making. So, and of course your tail here, I think I want a fairly long tail, so I'm going to start looping about right here. So see that there? I think I might want it just a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to grab it again, do the same, and hold it together. Now you want to have a pretty good grip on this here at the bottom, here where they end. And of course, make sure that, see how I don't have them even? You want to make sure that they are even. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And isn't that super adorable? Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is going to grab the chenille stems. I guess I decided it was a good thing that I didn't cut them, because what I'm going to end up doing is just tying them here to the back of my wreath, basically. And I guess and of course just fix it to however you like. Now you can see that my tails here are extremely long, and the next thing that I'm going to do, just fold them in half. And cut them. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like on the wall. Again, it's very simple, very minimal, but yet it says Valentine's Day. So leave me a comment down below and let me know where you would hang this up. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Pinterest inspired DIY. This was a very fun and simple DIY, and I really enjoyed bringing it to you. So I hope you guys enjoy recreating it. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Tag me on social media if you guys recreate it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. The links to my social medias are, of course, going to be down below for you. And before we leave today, as always, we have an inspirational word, and this month's inspirational word is smile. So today's quote is going to be, how can you be someone's reason to smile? So this was actually an inspiration from a canvas that I saw at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was just perfect for our inspirational word. So with that being said, how can you be someone's reason to smile? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.